What's up, Wagwan in the house? Welcome back to my channel, my peeps. One love and be blessed. And guys, today I have for you the top 20 items foreign people abroad bring back to Jamaica, or where they must send a Jamaica in a barrel. So guys, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, my peeps? Number one. Alright, number one where foreign people send back a yard, whether the Caribbean or Jamaica, is some clothes and shoes. Whether used clothes, whether you have to send some used one, but you have to put few new suit in there, no guys, because if you don't put no new one, them are gonna cuss you out there. So if you send two suit where use, you better find one new suit put with it. And you have to send some shoes too, and send some slippers, you know, because it's hot out there. Okay, my peeps. And in that the shoes, if you can put one little phone or a few little roll on in there, you know, if you make these shoes now take up the space of the barrel, you have to put something in it. Okay, my peeps. Number two, what foreign people send back, it's a must, some rice and some flour. So you want to send few pack of rice and some flour. You want, please guys, not send the baking flour at all, because the Jamaican people don't love the baking flour. They want the real all-purpose flour. You see me? So send some rice in the barrel and some flour. Number three, you have to send back a yard some white sugar, or you can say some granulated sugar. But remember, if you send some white sugar, you know, people, because they want, if you make it lemonade, so you put some sugar with some lime and you mix up a tall glass of lemonade with some ice that quench the thirst in the hot sun. So remember, if you send some granulated sugar or white sugar in the thing, okay? Next one, guys, you want to send some oil. And guys, this is the thing. The other day I send one barrel and I go send some oil, and the oil burst in the barrel and nasty up all of the little clothes, you know me say. So what you have to do, guys, take this tip from me. Tape up the oil bottle, put some tape around it and tie it in a some bag. So if it bursts, it don't leak out on the clothes and the flour in the barrel. So that's tip for you, okay, my guys? Next one, Jamaican people looking for in the barrel is some corned beef. So guys, you know, say corned beef, I want a quick thing. Sometimes they come in from work and they really want just take a corned beef and cook up the corned beef with some dumpling or one spoon of rice. So please guys, put some corned beef in the barrel. Next one you want to put in the barrel, guys, is some sardine. Jamaican people love sardine with some hot flour dumpling. So put some sardine in the thing and put few sausage in it. Few of them Vienna or few of them grey sausage. They then sell in the international aisle, okay? And make sure if you buy them when they on sale. The next one Jamaican people I look forward for in a barrel, my peeps, is some ketchup. They want the Heinz ketchup, that are the rich ketchup, okay, my peeps? So buy them when they on sale, check the expiration date and put them down in your basement or put them in your pantry. And when you buy the barrel and you get up everything, then you make sure if you tape the edge and put some Heinz ketchup in it, okay? The next one Jamaican people look for in a barrel is some baked bean. Baked bean, you cook down baked bean with some flash out, some mackerel. You put baked bean in your chicken and you can cook it down with some saltfish. So remember if you put some baked bean in it, okay guys? The next one, it's a must if you're sending barrel from foreign to Jamaica and you don't put no peanut butter in it. The people them are gonna call you up and say, my guys, then what happened to the peanut butter? You forget to put the peanut butter. Remember say people them are go to school, you know, in the morning or for their lunch you can just box on some peanut butter upon the bread and that good to go. So guys, remember if you put the peanut butter in the barrel, okay? And the peanut butter them taste nice with the crackers, you know, with the Jamaican Excelsior crackers. The peanut butter tastes nice with it, or the cream crackers, okay? Next one, it's a must. Guys, remember if you put the oats in the barrel, because the oats them use it make them porridge, and also the man them and the woman them use it for the stamina back. Them put some oats and some peanut and a dragon I want supplicant and then make them dragon punch. So don't leave out the oats. It's good for the porridge and it's good for eat raw and it's good for make the juice or the stamina drink. Okay, my peeps? Next one, it's a must. You have to put this in the barrel. It's some toothpaste and some toothbrush. Jamaican people, the toothpaste and the toothbrush not so bad, but the toothpaste expensive. So just put 2 Colgate toothpaste down when you put in the clothes them in the barrel, just squeeze it down at the side or put them in the shoes or wrap them in the clothes. So remember if you put few toothpaste and few toothbrush in it, okay? And put some small one for the picnic them, alright? Next one, you have to put, this one is a must, else no bother send the barrel. You have to put some bath soap. Some people call it bathing soap, bath soap. You have to put the bath soap in the barrel, and along with that you wrap up and tape up 2 body wash. Just tape them around and put 2 body wash with it, okay? Don't make them burst and leak out, okay? Else them are gonna nasty up the clothes and the people them are gonna cuss. The next one where Jamaican people are look for in the barrel is some tissue, or Jamaican people know it as toilet paper. When me telling us if you do, take out the piece of board in there, the piece of cardboard in the middle, and when you take it out, the tissue you go squeeze down flat, and you just squeeze it down in the barrel side. So remember, if you put 1/2 dozen in the barrel, alright? And the next thing what Jamaican people always look forward for, even the picnic them, is some mac and cheese. And the bigger people then want the pasta, because they want the pasta if you cook down in the chicken. It helps to give the chicken a body, you know what I mean? And also they want to make the pasta and chop up the chicken and mix up in it. You know, Jamaican people, so don't forget the pasta, okay? Them love it in the chicken. The next one where Jamaican people always look forward for is a tin of milk. So remember, if you put few tin of condensed milk in there, the sweet one, then use it for them porridge and then tea. So don't leave out the tin milk or the condensed milk, okay, my peeps? The next one where them really look forward for in the barrel is some sweet corn or some sweet peas. People, they really want that sweet corn there or the sweet peas. And even if you go at the international aisle, they have some pack of red peas. You can take up 2 of them pack and chew in there too. Guys, the next thing you have to put in the barrel is some lotion. The lotion, no bother put the lotion when you have no oil in there. Put the lotion where have extra strength, where good for the dry skin. Put the Vaseline Intensive Care. The extra strength, put the Nivea or the detergents. Okay, guys, so put some of the lotion in the barrel as well. Next thing Jamaican people look forward to in the barrel is few cake mix. Or, you know, sometimes they have this potato in the box where you just add water to it. They love them quick and easy something there. So you can put few cake mix and few of them quick easy potato mix in the package, or few pancake mix. That will do too. The next thing Jamaican people really love in the barrel is when you bring 2 perfume for them. You have to bring the name brand one like the Adidas and the Guess and the Calvin Klein and then one there. So please remember if you put 2 perfume in the shoes them or wrap them up in the clothes so they don't break. Okay? Alright. And also when you send in the perfume, put few speed stick or roll on in it. The last one is some sweetie. Remember say I hold picnic them in the yard a play and some friend come over, and when you send the barrel, the picnic them want something out of the barrel. So please remember if you put 1 bag of sweetie in there, go at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, and buy up some whole heap of candy and some whole heap of gummy bear and them something there and lollipop. And put them in a 1 bag and say this have to share up for the neighbors picnic them and for the local picnic them in the yard, because everybody I look forward for some sweetie. Also put some peppermint in there for the old people them like your grandma, your grandfather. Put some peppermint in there and some Tic Tac and some gums for the young people them. Alright my peeps. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. This video is straight inspired out of yard. This is coming from me. This is what I have experienced. Whether I'm at Jamaica, this is what I look forward to when me I get a barrel. And guys, I am in Canada now, and this is what my Jamaican family or the Jamaican people them I look forward to. Or this them tell me so they want in the barrel. So this is real. This is no fake thing around here, guys, and I know lots of people have this experience. So guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Big up on yourself. Big up the yardie them in the house, whether from foreign or from Jamaica, even in the Caribbean. One love, guys, and be blessed. Put God first, enough love. Blessings, guys. And I have to give you my dance.